So you've seen the massive price increases of cryptocurrencies and decided to get into the action. Well, in this video, we are going to walk step by step how to invest into Ethereum as a beginner, and make sure to stick around to see how you can earn $10 of free Bitcoin. So what is Ethereum? Ethereum is a technology that lets you send cryptocurrency from one person to another for a small fee. The biggest difference between Ethereum and Bitcoin is that Ethereum is also a programmable blockchain, meaning that you can create applications like websites and games, and that's why we're using Ethereum for today's example. All right, now let's jump straight into Coinbase. And if you sign up using the link in the description below, we'll both receive $10 of free Bitcoin whenever you buy or sell your first $100 on Coinbase. All right, and after you log in, you'll be directed to the main page. And now what we want to do is add two-factor authentication to secure our account. You do this by clicking on your profile, then settings, then security. And Authenticator is Google Authenticator. It's an app that you can download. It's going to ask you to scan a QR code. This will be provided by Coinbase. And once it's scanned, it'll provide you with a 6-digit code that you'll put in Coinbase whenever you want to log in. It's just extra security. And now that the security is done, we're going to go ahead and fund our account. So let's go to payment methods, add a payment, bank account, continue. And then we're going to go ahead and add the bank that we want to link to our account. After you enter all the information, it should link within 30 seconds. So now that we have our bank linked, let's go ahead and buy some Ethereum. So we can go ahead and click the Coinbase icon and then click buy or sell. Let's change it to Ethereum, $100 worth. And you can see that you can buy Ethereum for $3,158. But if we go to coinmarketcap.com, you can see that the actual price is $3,145. So they do mark it up, so you're buying above the market price. And if you were to buy it on pro.coinbase, you can see that we can actually select the price that we want to buy Ethereum for. And you can see that with $99.92, you get charged a 35-cent fee. So the fees are much cheaper on pro.coinbase. If you want to learn more about that, I'll put a link in the description below for that video. And now let's go ahead and buy Ethereum just for the sake of this video. And it should fill very soon. And the order was submitted. There we go. And we should see it in our portfolio shortly. Okay, and you can see that we bought $100 worth of Ethereum. And that's how you buy Ethereum on Coinbase. If you guys liked the video, leave a like, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, and let me know what you guys want to see next. And I'll see you later. Thanks. Bye.